Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to set up your Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. So let's get started. I have a few items here. The first one is of course unbox your Motorola Razr Ultra. Carefully remove the phone, charging cable, SIM ejector tool. Make sure this is completely hidden because this is important. And documentation from the box. So charge your phone first, plug in your device using the included USB-C cable and charger. Allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes before turning it on for the first time. Now power on the device, press the hold and power button located on the right side until the Motorola logo appears on the screen. Now select language and region. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your preferred language and region. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Select a connect to a secure Wi-Fi network to continue with the setup and updates. So to continue with this one, you're going to need a Wi-Fi or an internet connection for your updates and setup. Now use a insert SIM card option. This is supposedly on the left side lower of your phone if you're facing on your phone. Just eject the SIM tray, insert your nano SIM, and close the tray securely. Now sign into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials to access Play Store, Gmail, and Google services. So you need to create a new one or a new Google account if you don't have one. Because nowadays Google accounts on phones, especially on Android devices, are really helpful. Now set up a screen lock and fingerprint. Do not forget about this step because this is actually really important. To protect your phone by setting up a PIN, parent, or password. You'll also have the option to register your fingerprint for added security. Of course, if you have an old phone, you can restore and transfer data. I have a video about this on how to do this very quickly. And we choose whether to restore the apps and data from your old device. Use Motorola's transfer tool or Google's cloud backup. Of course, next one is update your software. Sometimes the old phone or the new phone you're holding right now has not been updated since they made it. So I suggest you update your software by going to settings and going for update or check for updates. Now customize your home screen. This is depending on your own perspective. So arrange the apps, widgets, and wallpaper to your liking. Next up, explore key features. Familiarize yourself with the unique features like the Flex View, the Moto Actions, and Quick View notifications on the external display. Next up, download essential applications. So for this one, open the Play Store, install your favorite apps like messaging, social media, and of course, productivity tools. Enable backup. This is important. Turn on the Google backup of Motorola's cloud services to keep your data safe and lost or reset. And basically, you're ready to use for your Motorola Razr Ultra. Congratulations, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.